In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the crop tool within Pixlr X. The crop tool can be found under the crop and rotate icon in the tool tab on the left. You can manually input your own dimensions, which will be reflected live on the canvas. You can use the straighten slider to help align your image as you need. The quick rotate tools allow you to rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise, as well as horizontally and vertically. The Select Aspect tool allows you to choose a predetermined ratio, such as 1:1 or 16:9, whereas the Size tab offers you the necessary dimensions to publish your image on any of the popular social media platforms. Now that you know how to use the crop tool, have fun creating with Pixlr X.